Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change goal calories on MyFitnessPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've set some goals on MyFitnessPal and you have a target calorie goal of 2,530. How do you actually go ahead and change your goal calories on MyFitnessPal? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to MyFitnessPal. Now, there's two ways you can change your goal calories. The first way is that if you click on your calories remaining, then click on the calories next to goal, and then click on calories, this is where you could actually change your goal calories. Now, the other way to do it is that if you go back and then click on more in the bottom right-hand corner, and then click on goals, then click on weekly goal. If you adjust your weekly goal to lose 2 pounds per week or gain 1 pound per week, your caloric goal is also going to change. So let's change this to gain 1 pound per week. And you can see that now my calories remaining is 3,530. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your goal calories on MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.